Want to transform your desktop or laptop into a powerful Google TV hub running the latest Android 16? Today, I'm showing you the full setup complete with the Google Play Store so you can hook up a projector and enjoy a massive cinematic experience. I'm Sid The Geek and let's get this TV running. First things first, we need the engine that powers it all. Head over to the official Android developers website to grab the latest, most stable release of Android Studio as of 2026. You'll want to ensure you're downloading the Panda 2 version. Once that installer hits your drive, fire it up. The setup is incredibly straightforward. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts. Keep your settings on standard to ensure you get all the essential SDK tools and let the wizard do the work. Once the setup is complete, you'll be greeted by the Android Studio welcome screen. From here, click on More Actions and select SDK Manager from the drop-down menu. In the SDK Platforms tab, ensure Android 16 is checked. Then pivot over to the SDK Tools tab to verify that following essential drivers and emulator components are selected. Once those are verified, hit OK. With your SDK ready, it's time to build the hardware. Head back to the welcome screen, hit More Actions again, but this time select Device Manager. Click the plus icon to create a new virtual device and switch the category to TV. Now, select the 1080p television profile and hit Next. On the system image page, this is the most critical step. Make sure you select the Google TV image specifically. This is the version that includes the Google Play Store. Before we finalize, dive into the Advanced Settings tab. We are going to supercharge this setup by bumping the RAM from 2 GB to 4 GB and ensuring graphics acceleration is set to hardware. Hit Finish, and once done, click Finish again. When the prompt appears to download the Google TV image, click Yes to start the process. Once that download is finalized, hit Finish. Now, back in the Device Manager, simply press the play button to fire up your new Android TV virtual machine. You'll be greeted by a sleek Google TV boot animation. After a quick sign in to your Google account, you'll land right on the home screen. While it starts clean with no extra apps, we are heading straight to the Apps tab to open the Play Store. For this demo, let's install Twitch. And as you can see, it loads up and runs perfectly. Your PC is now a fully functional smart TV. We're heading into the Play Store to install a web browser. This app allows you to sideload, which simply means installing apps from third-party sources outside the official store. It's the ultimate way to get custom apps onto your TV. To get that cinematic feel, you can easily adjust your view. Just hit Control up arrow to maximize your screen size or Control down arrow to scale it back down. With this setup, you can download all your favorite streaming apps and transform your projector into a massive cinematic display. It's the ultimate way to bring the big screen experience to any room. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'm Sid the Geek, and I'll see you in the next one.